Merong heat. Ayan o. Papasok muna namin siya. Pero dahil favorite siya, eto na. Dito siya. Heat si Taba. Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. Happy Sunday! So, ayun na nga. Galing kaming nag-chores kami, nag-errands kami sandali. Iniwan namin sila and ayan, si Taba. Diba? Disaster. Naiwan siya dito sa labas. Meron siyang heat sana siya eh. So, pinag-iwahiwalay namin yung dogs. Pero, yung wiwi pala na nakita natin kanina, hindi kay Taba, kay Dimas. So, hindi ba namin sure kung bakit, ano yung dahilan, pero yung previous vlog namin, di ba meron na kaming nakitang parang mga butlig sa likod niya. So, this time, yun naman, may dugo yung wiwi niya, yung pinakita ko kanina. Ang suspect namin is dog food. Feeling ko yung bakit kaya ano? Sino kaya ang hinabol-habol niya dyan? Ayan, di makaya ng map. Natuyo na sa... Di na ganang kasi ni Taba. Luka-lukang bata yun. Hindi naman si Daddy. Favorite niya talaga yun eh. Natatawa lang siya. Hindi siya naiinis. Ang ibang aso namin yan. Nandun si Taba, mamaya na ako pupunta kasi manggugulo lang ako. Nandun siya. Si Didi, nagtataka anong nangyayari. Ba't sabi ng Didi, wag ka dyan ah. So yun guys, si Taba is in heat, but yung pinakita ko sa inyong wiwi kanina na may dugo, akala ko si kay Taba. So apparently kay Didi pala siya. So that means we have to bring him to the vet to see what's wrong. Yung suspect namin is yung pagpalit namin ng dog food. I think it's the bingo if ever man, because we've had value meal na purong value meat and cooked meat lang for I think a good 2 months. Tapos itong switch namin recently na may bingo and value meal, ito yon yung parang recently lang, and that's when we saw it. But we're still not sure. We're still going to investigate kasi there are other possible reasons. Pwedeng magka-connect yung nakita namin mga butlig-butlig nga sa balat niya. It could really be a reaction to the new dog food. Plus yung wiwi could also be a reaction to the new dog food. Other possible reasons could be he was in the kennel for a really long time. Baka na-stress na siya doon and all. So, yun, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. The next step for us is to check on all our dogs also. Si Dimas lang ba yung may ganong skin issue, may dugo sa wiwi, or do we have other dogs in the kennel na ganon din? Yung kennel namin, it gets cleaned first thing in the morning, and then pinapakain sila, and then it gets cleaned again after feeding time. Sa hapon, our adult dogs, they don't eat anymore, but the kennel is cleaned again para sa mga poop, and the water is checked kung may water ba. So let's just wait for them to finish cleaning, and then tsaka natin i-check isa-isa yung mga dogs. Okay, change outfit. Kung mapapansin niyo po, naka-boxer shorts na lang siya. So guys, yun nga no, kasi hindi ka naman pwedeng magbihis ng bonggang-bonggang bihis. Lalo na kung magpapaligo ka ng... Wala akong masabi. Lalo na kung magpapaligo ka ng makulit na... makulit na biik. Ayan. Yung chest niya, nandun lahat ng pupo. Hindi ko maintindihan kung anong ginawa niya. Ba't niya naman naisip na, ha? Nainitan? Or may nakitang something? Kaya nagwala. Kasi hindi naman niya pinaggaganyan yung pupo niya eh. So, feeling namin may nakita siya. Tapos, yun. Nagwala na siya. Anyway, magligoan kayo. Lobat ako. Okay, so habang hinihintay natin silang makatapos, I'd like to respond first dun sa isang message na na-receive namin dun sa aming Facebook page. Tinatanong, well, cute daw yung dogs and tinatanong kung madali daw bang alagaan. Hindi ko masagot, no? I'd like to be very responsible when responding to questions like this because I think I don't want to give people the idea na yung responsibility when it comes to taking care of dogs is easy. Because it's not. It's going to require you to adjust your house for them, to adjust your living space for them. Kaya nga kami, di ba, we had to move to a farm because ang dami na naming dogs and hindi rin fair sa mga neighbors namin na naririnig nila yung malalakas na kahol ng dogs namin from time to time. And you also have to consider your budget because of course, you need to allocate funds para maalagaan sila ng mabuti. For food, for vet fees, yung mga ganong bagay. And grooming, and lahat, cleaning. In this case, if you will be needing extra help, kamukha namin, we have 2 kennel hands. So, that's an added budget. And finally, it's gonna require you to give them time. So, it's a total change of lifestyle if you're comparing it to having no dogs and deciding to have a dog or deciding to have dogs. Pero, yung masasabi ko lang is taking care of dogs, for us, it's very rewarding. Nakawala ng stress, kahit na makita kamukha niya, nakita nyo pagdating namin dito sa bahay, puro pupo dito, no? So, supposedly, pagod ka na because we came from a couple of errands today. But because, well, it was taba. Favorite ni Vlad yun eh. Natawa na lang siya. I had to pick the brush and the mop and give her a quick bath. But, yun nga, at the end of the day, with dogs, like the affection that they give back and the amount of yung satisfaction mo to see them, mabawasan yung stress mo, yun lang. Yun yung hindi mo matatawaran if you're really into dogs. Yun yung ano. yun yung kapalit ng lahat ng pagod mo. At gastos mo. Ayun na guys. Oh, nakita nyo ba? Oh. Tapos na maligo. Ligo-liguan. Sana pala na wash mo yung bam-bam niya. Na soap mo din. Ayun, buti naman. Kasi malansa din yung, dahil nga may heat siya eh. So, malansa din yung kanyang pem-pem. So, ayan si Didi. Didi! Diyan ka muna, baby, ah. Didi, diyan ka muna. So, ito naman yung kailangan is-isin. Kasi dito tumapon lahat ng mga poop eh. Ah, diba, si Sir? Si Didi, malinis yan. Hindi siya aapak sa mga ganito. So, isa to sa may magandang coat namin na aso eh. So, I worry kung anong-ano niya. Pero tingnan natin, no? It takes a couple of steps for you to know kung ano yung issue. Diyan ka lang muna, babe, kasi babasain ni Daddy yan. Guys, again, I just want to clarify na dog food, when it comes to any kind of dog food, it's not a one-size-fits-all. It could be a brand that's working for your dogs, but with other dogs, it won't work. In this case, yun nga, no, if ever man na si Dimas ay allergic dun sa dog food na bago, yung Bingo, then that would mean papalitan namin yun entirely with a different brand. So, I'm pretty confident that it's not at least with what I've seen the past 2 months, it's not the Vitality Value Meal kasi walang reaction nun and the coat of the dogs are really nice. It's just that this time, because we did half and half, nito namin siya nakita. So, continue to join us and let's discover what's good for our dogs. It might help you also, but I just want to let you know it takes time. So, kung nag-work sa inyo yung Bingo, that's well and good. It's just that it looks like here we have to take a step back and see kung yun ba yun. So, by step back, I mean, we're gonna go back to Vitality, pure Vitality Value Meal at saka cooked meat until we see kung mag-i-improve, then we're gonna stick to that. But because yung value meal is really on the mid-range ng dog food, hindi ko masabing yung the highest range ng dog. But it's an expensive dog food pa din naman. But there are other more expensive dog foods than that. Kaya lang din naman talaga namin option yun. No? Budget-wise, hindi kaya. Pero yun nga, we're gonna go back to giving them Vitality lang muna. Lahat. And then if his skin improves, then that means yun nga, we need to remove yung, we cannot go back to Bingo anymore. Ang gagawin namin doon is we're gonna find another dog food that we can match with Vitality na hindi mag-react yung balat nila. Yan, kita nyo ba? May mga angat-angat, diba? Pantal yun eh. Didi, wag ka na pumunta dyan! Yung nadidinig dyan kasi yung mga dogs kumakahol. Meanwhile, ito naman si Kat Kat. She eats Bingo also. Pero kung makikita nyo, the coat is looking good. Actually, I think it's better, no? So, ito yung example na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Could be working for this dog, but it might not work for another dog. Si Hanya, ganun din. Although this girl prefers to be hand-fed, okay din yung balat niya. Although, yun nga, payat. And feeling ko kasi with Hanya, pwede pang gumanda yung coat niya. Si Taba, right there, her coat is okay. Wala siyang mga kati-kati. And wala rin siyang mga pantal-pantal. Mamaya na lang natin siya. Hindi, tingnan natin siya ngayon. Kasi punta tayo sa kennel eh. Okay. So, lapit tayo kay Taba. So, ito yung kay Taba Ching Ching. Pachuchi. Ayan. So, wala, diba? Guys. Pero yung dati naming dog food, bago kami mag-Vitality, which was top breed, siya yung nagka-UTI doon. Kaya kami, kinailangan namin magpalit. This time, si Dimas naman yung nagre-react yung kanyang balat. So, kung makikita nyo, may yellow-yellow, no? Kasi nilagyan ko ng new stock. Pero himasin natin para makita nyo. Yan, new stock yun. Pero meron siya, aray ko didi, no? Meron siyang mga pantal-pantal. Tsaka, yung wiwi niya nga may dugo. Yung, yan, check natin. One by one, the balat of the dogs. Down, down, baby girl. Down, baby girl. Uy! Baba! Dad, sawayin mo nga ito. Baka tumalon. Roxy! So, guys, it looks like si Didi and si Toby yung may reaction. Nakita ko medyo namumula, tsaka may parang sugat si Toby dito. So, you could really be scratching it. Yung thighs ni Toby were also a little drier than the last time we checked it. I have a vlog na chinek natin sila. So, si Toby sa amin yung isa sa pinaka-reactive sa dog food. And it is also reacting to the change ng dog food. There's a really good chance that factor talaga yon. But as you can see, the rest of the dogs, they're okay. So what we're gonna do now is dadalhin namin si Didi sa vet this week para mapacheck siya. Pero ang immediate na binigay namin sa kanya dahil dun sa wiwi niya na may dugo is Roatinex, and then we make sure that he drinks a lot of water. But we'll keep you updated and see how it'll play out. Hopefully this gets resolved ASAP. Yung skin, he gets a bath every 3 days, tapos halagyan ulit ng new stock. So let's see. Hopefully it'll work na makuha ng new stock and makuha ng diet change. Na yun lang yung problema. Si Vlad naglalagay ng katol kasi daw malamok. So, ayun, nakita niyo. Daddy, ayun o, katol, hawak niya. Ayun. Yan, meron na dito, dito. And he's gonna put some more sa ibang mga corners. Yan. Yan, may katol din dun sa may kay Fon. I think one more dun sa may kay Roxy. Yeah, 4 p.m.
4 p.m. Pero pag sa ano na wala yun? Alas 7 wala yun.
Si Siargao, hindi ko alam kung mapula yung dibdib niya or dahil lang sa basa. Pero si Toby, ay, may bubo na si Sir. Si Toby, Daddy, dry ngayon. Dry na. So, hindi pwede yung ano, feeling ko. Hindi pwede yung bingo. Narinig niyo ba yung sinabi ni Vlad? Okay lang ba nabanggitin yung brand? Because he knows before nung we were advised to change our dog food because nagka-UTI nga si Taba, I was preventing myself from mentioning the brand that we were using before because I don't want it to be generalized as a bad dog food or as a dog food that is not gonna work for all dogs, because that's not the case. I will always say it again and again, dog foods, kahit ano pa yan, yung pinakamahal up to sa pinakamura, it's not a one size fits all.